Hi, this is Joy at Pine Quilt Shop. Today we're going to talk a little bit about using a walking foot. The key thing about a walking foot is it has this little arm on it that when you hook it on your needle bar clamp, it actually will help to feed the fabric on the top while your feed dogs are always there helping to feed the fabric on the bottom. So if you see, you can see how the foot's actually moving as your needle goes up and down. So it's important when you're using your walking foot that you make sure you hook this on your needle bar clamp so that you get that walking motion that will help to feed fabric on the top. So usually we use walking feet for hard to feed fabric situations. So thick fabric especially will get our walking feet out, and sometimes actually if you have thin, hard to grip fabric that doesn't feed well, it actually can work well sometimes for thinner things as well, but frequently used for thick items like a quilt sandwich. You might use your walking foot to do some straight line quilting on a quilt sandwich, and it works great for that. This little arm comes with most walking feet, and a lot of people kind of wonder, what does that do? You can actually tuck that into the hole in the back of the walking foot, and it will let you cross hatch. So if I wanted to stitch a cross hatch pattern, I could mark one line and sew that one line, and then I could line this little arm up with the line that I just stitched, and depending on how far over I position it, it will give me maybe an inch crosshatch or an inch and a half, whatever I set it for. And then I can actually just line it up with that previous line of stitching as I'm sewing to do a quick crosshatch pattern. And I don't have to mark the entire crosshatch on my quilt, I just have to mark one line to get myself started. So very handy for that. So now you know what to do with that arm that came with your sewing machine. A lot of people kind of look at this gadget and they're like, what is that? So we wanted to give you a quick overview today on how to use your walking foot. Happy quilting. Thanks for joining us.